Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video I'm going to show you this new model I just designed. Check it out. It's an Origami light bulb flicker, and this is how it flies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's do it one more time. Alright, want to learn how to make it? Ready, set, here it goes. Okay, so for this model I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Alright, unfold, and now fold to the crease. And repeat on this side. Okay, and now it's fold in half like this. Okay, now unfold, and now fold this edge to the crease. Okay, now turn over, and now lift up this crease right here, and fold it to this crease. Alright. And as you do that, you make a new fold right here. Okay. And now turn over on this side, make sure this fold is sharp right here. And take this edge and fold it to this crease. And repeat on this side. Okay, unfold. And now we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna fold it up right on this point where this crease hits the edge. And we're gonna squash right here too. And make sure it aligns on this side too. And this edge should align with the middle. And repeat on this side. So fold this down on that point. And it should align right here. And make that sharp. Okay, so this is the bottom right here, and let's kind of shorten it to make it look like this. So just kind of open here and fold this edge to this crease, or to these 2 points. And now you can refold these flaps. Okay, so now it's starting to take shape, and now let's make it look like a light bulb. So we're gonna fold this up right on that point right there. And pretty much just shape it to taste. And repeat on this side. Alright, and let's round the top right here too. Alright, and now let's just kind of make a fold that looks like this. Or actually, make a fold like this instead. That'd be better. See? Really, just shape it to taste though. Just make it look like a light bulb, however you like. And repeat on this side. Yep, and just kind of round it off too, to taste. And I'm gonna fold this edge in a little bit so it's not raw edges right there. It's best if it's folded edges all the way around. Okay. And just kind of shape it to taste. Yep, and once you did that, your Origami light bulb flicker is completed. And actually I'm gonna kind of close this part off too, so it's not open right there. It'll make it fly better. Okay, just like that. And I'll just give it a little bit of curvature. Like this to make it fly a little bit better. And there it is, the Origami light bulb flicker. Oh my god, look where it landed. It got stuck in between the mirror and the wall. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to fly it. Okay, so to fly this, it's just like an ordinary flicker. So I'm going to hold it by the bottom right here, and I'm going to flick right here. So here it goes. Oh yeah, I really like how it spins a lot in the air. Let's do it a few more times. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, there it is. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you enjoy flying it, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.